Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be a tip on how to think ahead, for a technician that may come behind you, even yourself, and open up an iPad. If you've opened iPads, you know that there are antennas down here and typically up here at the top, and they're thin. I mean, these things are so easy. If you're not paying attention, you're getting the screen off, maybe it's a little hard, and that thing just done. So it's easy to tear it up, especially if it's already been done and someone tapes really well, like me. This is Tessa Red. I suggest you don't use any other tape for your jobs than this stuff because it's so far the best tape I've found. But for instance, when you do one of these screens, you'll take a little sticky note like this, kind of measure it up to where your antenna is. You can cut it down. Sticky side first, obviously. And you can use it to protect the antennas. So you lay those down like that. Stick it to the table. It doesn't matter. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's just got to be mostly over the antenna. If someone comes around and has to pull off the screen, and there's adhesive on it, instead of it ripping up your antennas when they do so, all it takes up is your little protectors. But that's the tip for the day. Thanks.